Welcome to DerivNavigatorAcademy, where we decode the truth about trading bots and strategy. Now, today we are answering about a very hot topic. Is Deriv just digital gambling, or is there more to it? Okay. Now, first of all, Deriv is a global online trading platform offering binary options, synthetic indices, forex, and more. It gives users the power to trade 24/7, but because of its simplicity and speed, many confuse it with gambling. Okay, now, first of all, what is gambling? Let us define gambling before we even start saying Deriv is gambling. All right. Now, first of all, what is gambling? Gambling is risking money on an event with no edge or strategy, but with just pure luck. Whether it's rolling dice or spinning a wheel, the odds are designed to work against you from the start. Okay? In gambling, from the start, the odds are designed to work against you. Now, if you jump on Deriv and click buttons without a plan, all right? If you just open Deriv and then you start clicking buttons without any plan, guess what, guys? That's gambling. If you're emotional, over trading, or chasing losses, you are not trading, you are betting, all right? Now, Deriv, first of all, gives you tools, all right? You have technical indicators, you have automated bots, you have risk controls, and you have demo accounts whereby you can practice trading with not fake money, all right? Basically, it gives you an opportunity to better yourself without actually risking your account, okay? When you use this wisely, you are trading with a statistical edge, not just rolling the dice. First of all, let us look at the real versus fake trading mindset, okay? Real traders use back-tested strategies where basically you use a strategy that you have tested it severally. The worst mistake most traders usually do is they use strategies that they have not tested or that they have not understood, and thus they end up making huge losses, all right? Yeah, so real traders use back-tested strategies. They manage risk, they review trades or improve daily. Even bots can be gambling, all right? If you don't know what you're doing. I repeat, even bots can be gambling if you do not know what you're doing. But if you code or customize a bot with proper logic, or basically if you use a good trading bot and you reduce risk and do not increase it, now that will be trading. But if you just upload a bot from anywhere and then just run it without doing anything, without any risk control mechanism, without analyzing, guess what? You are gambling, all right? Because you are hoping to get a win from nothing without any strategy. Then that is simply gambling, all right? Yeah, so guys, trading on Deriv can be gambling if you act without knowledge, control, or strategy. But if you trade with skill, discipline, and a plan, then no, it's not gambling. It's a business and you are the CEO. All right? So I hope you have all understood that, guys. And if you want to stop gambling and start trading smart on Deriv, hit that subscribe button. Please like this video and comment below. I trade with a plan and I'll give you one good free bot. Ensure you comment, I trade with a plan. And guys, welcome to the elite 5%. I hope you have enjoyed this video, guys. If you want more of this, please, as I've said, please make sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and please like so that you don't miss out whenever we upload a new video. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching. So please, if you have ever asked yourself that question, trading is not gambling. It matters how you do it. If you do it in the wrong way, or if you trade in the wrong way, you are gambling. But if you trade in the correct way, with the correct strategies, with the correct risk management strategies, mechanisms, you are not gambling, you are trading. So trading can be gambling if you do it in the wrong way. So I hope you'll understand this. If you have any question, as I've said, please feel free to put it down in the comment section. If you want one free bot, please comment I trade with a plan. And if you want online classes, please feel free to WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is in the description. Otherwise, guys, apart from that, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep trading, guys. Keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.